Okay there, I am going to show you how to do a quick sticker tutorial in Cricut Design Space, and we're going to start with, we're going to go over up here to where it says new, and we're going to start with a blank canvas. So I'm just going to grab a few cute pictures. Let's grab this puppy here. And I'm gonna grab the corner. I'm gonna make it about 3 inches, about 3 inches by 3.5 inches here. And then I'm going to type in, let's do a dog wearing sunglasses. Let's look for one over here, and I'll grab this guy. He's cute. And then we're going to size him down to about 3 by 3 inches as well. And then I'm going to look for, let's do penguins. We'll find some cute penguins. Let's do, let's go back up here and we'll do this guy here. And we're going to size him down. Okay, so just real quick, to make some stickers, we're going to size them how we want them. And then we are going to select all, and we're going to go down here to where it says flatten, and we are going to flatten them because we are going to print and cut these. So they are all flattened. So now what I want to do is I want to grab this guy here. Actually, I'm going to need to unflatten them. Okay, because I want them separate. So I want this one, and this one. So we'll do this guy first. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, and I want to put an offset around him, so when he cuts, he's going to, we're going to go over here. Cricut Design Space just did an update, and I forgot that it's all different now. So what we're going to do is we're going to click edit. We're going to come over here to where it says sticker. Okay, and we're going to make our own sticker. We're going to do the die cut stickers. So we are going to click die cut, and that means it's going to cut all the way through the paper. So I want a thin border around this sticker, so I'm going to apply that. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing for all of the stickers. I want a thin border, and I'm going to apply it. And the penguin, I want also to be a die cut. That means cutting all the way through. And then we're going to do a thin border, and we're going to apply. Okay, so now all of these are ready to be printed and cut. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here to make, and let's go ahead. We're not going to save it for now, but okay, so now it's going to give you this screen, and this is the paper. This is the sticker paper you're going to use. So you're going to need to have your printer hooked up. So what we will do is we are going to go over here to continue, and then it's going to tell us to send to printer. So we will click send to printer, and then we're going to click next, and then it's going to show you all your printers that are hooked up, and we want to use our regular inkjet printer, not our sublimation printer. So we are going to add the bleed onto this because Cricut Design Space is going to cut it out, and the bleed will give it that space that it needs to cut it out. We also want to use our system dialog, so then we're going to click print, And then it's going to pull up this screen, and you want to make sure you have your correct printer chosen, and you're going to click Preferences, and then you want to make sure you have the right paper size here, and then we are going to change this paper quality to presentation paper matte, and we want it in high quality. And then we are going to click OK, and then we will click Print. And it will be sent to the printer, and then we will run it through the Cricut machine, and then it will cut. So here you go, and I will link the Cricut Explorer 4 with all of the materials in the comments. Thank you.